Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are whipping up a classic Indo-Chinese dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Butter garlic chicken. This dish is a perfect blend of savory, spicy and buttery flavor. The combination of tender juicy chicken, aromatic garlic and creamy butter sauce is simply irresistible. We'll start by marinating the chicken in a mixture of spices, soy sauce and corn flour. This will ensure that the chicken is tender and crispy. Then we'll fry the marinated chicken until it is golden brown and crispy. Next we'll prepare a rich and creamy butter garlic sauce. The combination of butter garlic and a blend of spices create a flavor explosion in your mouth. We'll toss the fried chicken in this sauce until it is evenly coated. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 500 grams boneless chicken cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 stock cube, half tablespoon light soya sauce, half tablespoon lemon juice, 3 tablespoon Maida or all-purpose flour, and then give it a nice mix and marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil and simply fry the marinated chicken until golden brown and crispy. Once ready, leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add 3 tablespoon butter, 5 garlic cloves chopped and fry it for a minute. Make sure do not brown the garlic. Then add handful of spring onion white and fry it for few seconds. Then add 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 tablespoon maida or all-purpose flour, half cup water, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon stock cube powder, half tablespoon light soya sauce. Add a pinch of salt and cook it until it gets nice and semi-thick. So the sauce is ready now. Then add the fried chicken in the sauce. And cook it until the sauce gets nicely coated with the chicken. As you can see, the sauce is nicely coated and it is nice and thick. Then add handful of spring onion green and give it a nice mix. And there you have it guys, a delicious and indulgent butter garlic chicken. The perfect blend of savory, spicy and buttery flavor will leave you craving more. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. I would love to hear your thoughts and see your creation. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.